Have you ever looked like this when trying to create or even come up with a thumbnail? Well, in this video, I will show you to create thumbnails like this in seconds. First, head over to ChatGPT. To get the thumbnail you desire, you have to be very specific. Make sure to put what color you want, your background, text, outline of the text, and for anything you want in your thumbnail. The more you add, the better the thumbnail will be. Also add where you want things. Like how I said I wanted the words on the right side. Make sure to add descriptive words, like how I used cartoonish and gradient. ChatGPT also messes up the formatting sometimes, so it does not hurt to remind him that text should not be cut off and everything should fit nicely. Like I said, the more the better. If you do not know what specifically you want, you can still try this, but you may not get the thumbnail you were looking for. Knowing what kind of thumbnail that you want will help this process be as quick as possible. And just like that, you have a thumbnail.